Welcome to part 4 of Taskade's onboarding video tutorial series covering templates and workflows. We have a collection of over 400 templates organized by category to help you streamline your workflow. These can be found at taskade.com/templates, and they include team management, how-to guides, remote work, planning, journaling, and Mindmap templates, to name a few. We also have a variety of templates for personal use in our personal, education, trip planning, travel itineraries, music, and gaming sections. To use a template you like, click on it and select Add to Templates or Use Template, and then pick the workspace in which you'd like to add or use the template. You can also create your own templates by selecting a workspace, going to the Templates tab, and pressing Create a Template to create a custom template for the selected workspace. When you create a new project, those templates will now be available for you to use. Plus, you can choose from the existing default templates provided. That's it for part 4 of our onboarding video tutorial series. In our next video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Taskade's hierarchy.